So I'm putting a shelf in here, and I bought this Vancillary kit. Which you put a bracket in here. This one here is, I put the other one on already. I'm gonna put one on this side next. Here they are. You know, they're pretty nice. It's aluminum here, and it looks like they've got some kind of a anodized finish, which you know, maybe it was meant to match the ceiling. I guess it kind of matches. It's quite a bit lighter, but it's okay. So these things just, you know, pop on there. It's like no big deal to pull that off. If you need to, just grab it and yank it off like that. So that's one more. So this thing here, I mean, super easy. This little cap. Well, this is the board I got. Looks pretty good. $36 though. Good Lord. Okay, so this is the pattern you get from Vancillary. It's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, and we'll put it on there. Okay, let's throw this thing in here. I don't think any of that is back in the shelf. Let's go for it. Rain, rain, go away. See what I mean? Those edges don't show. And who's ever going to see that? I know it's there. They're caps nuts that they give you with the little kit. So I put those on, put a washer top and bottom, and pretty good. Okay. The hook on him, I think you could literally hang on this shelf. I'm not gonna, but it's good. Go outside? You want to go out? Check out the van. You want to help me? Okay then. Let's do this. Okay, so this is my pattern for this. What I did is put the pattern in here, and then I took a square, and I took the square and I ran it across here to make sure everything was square, okay? And then I just, you know, you got two edges that are square here. This one, and this one. So, that's all I did. I just used this big, you know, metal square to keep things square here. And create these patterns all the way. I've transferred the pattern to this, so I'm hoping that it works out. So let's go ahead and cut. It's lining up good. Okay, it's screwed in. Okay, well that proves it. It all fits. I think I'm gonna take it all down and put it together. There it is. It was not easy. I didn't have the camera on. So what I did is I put the scrap piece that I cut off back on there and then clamped it with that, but the wood split right here. So I glued that piece back on and hopefully it'll all just work out. I'm sure it'll be fine, but okay, we're gonna put this edging on here. This is Lila's iron. She knows I'm using it all, but still. I said, we'll let it dry overnight now. So there it is. You can see those nail holes there. I'll just fill those with wood filler, but give you a feel for the back here, what I had to do to fit the wall. But it worked out fine. It's fine. And then there's the top. So, you know, before it kind of looked like this was a little bit weeny, but now you got an L bracket shape there. It should be fine. No, didn't think so. You really got to rub it in because otherwise it doesn't get in all the little crooks and crannies, does it? This pickling stain is weird. looks like a good fit. Perfect amount of gap around the edge so that we can fit those hinges in there. And okay, so I got the hinges mounted here. They're not mounted to the rail, they're mounted to that. So I just use these little pieces of cardboard here to space it out. So I get the spacing right all the way around. And it's worked pretty good for me so far doing it this way. You gotta be careful the whole dang door doesn't fall out in your lap, but then what I do is I just take a pencil and I scribe where that is. And you gotta get this like perfect or it doesn't work out. Basically take a hinge here, and this hinge here, notice the pin's missing off of it. So I just take that and hold it up there, and the knuckle is what holds it back. But boy, you gotta have these holes perfect. Okay, that one's done. What are you doing, Riley? Okay, so now that it's slotted here, put it right where I want it. I think right about it. Perfect. Beautiful fall day today. So here's the upper cabinet. There's some junk in there right now, but you get the idea. And then this one, same thing, worked out pretty good. The fit's good. I think it's all good. I put some for the shelf here. I did get those wrinkles out and stuff. And then I mounted some lights here, some of these little touch lights, you know, so you could see what you're doing when you're like a map light thing. And then we made some curtains for the front here too, which have become invaluable, especially when there's sun beating in on you. You can kind of pull this curtain part of the way and keep the sun off you. So anyways, I'm pretty proud of this whole thing. Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom. Thanks for watching. See you next time.